If this is someone that is investing in taking this investment, really seriously, and they really want to maximize their time and their money and all that, then I would say start with the best foundation that you can, because there are problems that not just I've seen, a lot of the pros that have come through the program have shared, a lot of people coming into their chairs to fix things or to do retightenings, and who may not have been aware that the method that they have would have those results, that they use would have those results. So it's becoming very labor intensive when it comes to pros having to fix certain things for the look that some people are trying to get. So I say that there can't be any more random techniques. Like, if someone wants certain results and they really want to take this investment seriously, you can't just you gotta really understand what is being done or the method you're choosing, if you're doing it yourself especially. But if you have any knowledge of what's being done, that you do that so that you can understand. Don't do it without proper research. When I say proper research, I mean going back as far as you can go to see what is being done. If you can see the results on any real good research, would be like different types of hair textures, level, the skill, the quality over a span of many, many years, if that's what you desire to have for your locks and for that long. And the foundation needs to be solid.